your understanding.
Loading paper into the HP DeskJet 1200, 2130, Ink Advantage 1200, and 2300 all-in-one printer series. After unboxing your HP DeskJet 2300 printer, press the power button to turn on the printer. Lift the input tray to its locked position. Slide the paper guide to its outermost position. Load paper into the input tray. Slide in the paper guide until it rests on the edge of the paper, and then open the output tray extender.
So you need to replace a cartridge in your HP printer. Let's walk through the steps together. The first thing to do is turn the printer on, so press the power button. Next, open the paper output tray and raise the paper input tray. Then, load paper into the input tray until it stops. Slide the paper width guide inward until it stops at the edge of the paper. Do not push the guide in so tightly that it starts to bend the paper. Open the cartridge access door. The carriage moves to the center of the printer. Allow the carriage to stop moving. Then, find the cartridge you want to replace and lightly press down on it to release it. Pull the cartridge out to remove it from the slot. Now, take the new cartridge out of its package. Pull the plastic tab from the new cartridge to remove it. When handling the cartridges, be aware of the electrical contacts and ink nozzles. Be careful not to touch the contacts or nozzles because touching these can cause clogs, ink failure, and poor electrical connections. Make sure you install the replacement cartridge in its correct slot. Tricolor on the left and black on the right. Holding the cartridge by its sides with the nozzles facing downward, slide it directly into the correct open slot. Push the cartridge forward into the slot until it snaps into place. When the cartridge is in, close the cartridge access door of the printer. Follow these steps to align the new cartridge. Printing and alignment will help your printer place drops of ink in the proper places on the paper. On your computer, click the Windows icon. Click All Programs. When the program list opens, click the HP folder. Click the folder for your HP printer, then select the printer. The printer software opens. Double-click Printer Actions. Then, double-click Maintenance Tasks. The printer toolbox opens. Click the Device Services tab. Then click Align Ink Cartridges. The printer aligns the cartridges and then prints an alignment page. Your printer is now ready for regular use.
This video shows how to replace a cartridge in your HP PhotoSmart printer. To begin, turn the printer on by pressing the power button. Next, open the cartridge access door. The carriage will move into the access area. Allow the carriage to stop moving. Then, find the cartridge you want to replace and press inward on the tab on the front of the cartridge to release it. Lift the cartridge out to remove it from the slot and set it aside. For information about recycling your used HP cartridges, visit www.hp.com/recycle. Now, take the new cartridge out of its package. Pull the tab from the new cartridge to remove the plastic wrap. It is very important that you use the pull tab to remove the plastic. This will properly expose the vent slot in the top of the cartridge. Twist the orange cap on the bottom of the cartridge counterclockwise to remove it. Significant force might be required to remove the cap. When handling the cartridge, be aware of the electrical contacts and ink port. Be careful not to touch the contacts or port, because touching these can cause clogs, ink failure, and poor electrical connections. Hold the cartridge so that the ink port faces down and slide it directly into the open slot. Push the cartridge down until it latches into place. Make sure you install the cartridges in the correct slots. Match the color and symbol on the cartridge to the color and symbol on the printer. When the cartridge is installed, close the cartridge access door. A message will display on the printer's control panel stating that you have installed a new genuine HP ink cartridge. Press OK to clear the message. The printer is now ready for regular use. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP printer support.